Okay. Ito ang dalan sang pigirihan San Davidson Piggeries. Are sa koral ang balay nga tagabantay who enter sa gate sang pigirihan. Adi ang building sang pigirihan. Ayan. Ara ang mga bata, ang bata sang bantay. Adi na ini si Tutong ang gumangkon ko, anak sang utod ko. Adi ang mga baboy. Na malagba ang lawas. Na na ni sa pagpakaon kay gatilindog na sila kay nahibalaan na ina nila na makaon sila. Ayan. Makita mo kalagba sang mga lawas. Batian mo na kay gatalalangis. Kaya mo na ang ilang kung tutusin hindi man I'm sorry, I speak Filipino. Yes, sorry. So this is how big they are. Now they're making noise because they're going to eat. And this is the small one. And that one, the bigger one, they are waiting to eat. They know that they're gonna eat now. So this is their pudding. And pila na gani ni Noy ka wala pa ni dua ka bola no? Isa ka tunga. Dua ka bola. Ayan, this is the patining. As soon enough they will be disposed. There you go. And they are really nice. They're cute to look up. There you come. And they were climbing because they know they're gonna eat. Hi! There. So they are big. See that, how big they are. And this one here, they were small. This time of the year, not the year, the month, there's a lot of piggeries. So many pigs are sick. I don't know because I guess they're very hot. Hi! They're really nice. And look at that. They're climbing. They're waiting for their food because they want to eat. And the door on their father, they're really nice to see them. They're big. This is only a month and a half. And this is the new one. They are little dirty because they could not go take a bath yet because they're young. And ayan si Toto. Ito, can you look at? There you go. That's my nephew. So this is how big the mother. Yeah, this is the mother who just had a baby. That the old babies die. 10 of them. Because the mother would not feed them because they don't have milk. And that one. And the 3 over there, they are pregnant. One in July, they are having a baby. And July coming up. And the other one, I believe August. And the rest, they are ready to be I need a meal. So that is so they are nice to look at them because they are big. And we have a few pig here are kind of have a stomach